Often we like to clean our bird bath, and I always do it by hand, but we're going to try this out. We're going to see how this works. Here's the water function, by the way, so we can show you. You can see the water coming out. So if you have soap, so that's the water function. But oh wow, look, you can see it's actually taking off that like rustic color. Hello my friends, today we're showing you VEVOR's electric spin scrubber. Comes with the nice little bag here, the user manual. You got multiple different scrub ends. This is a harder, semi-hard bristle. Metal mesh. Kind of like a soft sponge. Let's see what we got hiding in this little packet. Charging cable. And this is the unit itself, which also has a bristle on it as well. I think we're going to pop this one off. And we're going to put on this one for testing. Fill up your soap or water in here if you want to use it with water. There's your water setting. Mode 1. Mode 2. This would squirt your water or whatever you place in here, like cleaning detergent. Let's go ahead and test this out for you. That actually came on here because we were putting in hummingbird solution, and it kind of turned it a different color. And you can see how well this is working. I'll empty the water so you guys can see it in a moment here. Alright, let's just go ahead and show you how this looks. And here you can see how it cleaned it off on the one side. We still need to do the rest, but you guys get the point. It works great, it's portable, and I think you guys are going to be very happy with it.